All right, guys, how you guys doing? Good afternoon to you all. From here is a quick video and it's a short one. I want you guys to see what Governor Wike did on this video. I want you guys to watch this and see what Governor Wike, Governor Wike is on it again. Governor Wike actually put off his jacket on this video. We need to see this. Let's see this together, my people. How you guys doing? Please endeavor to share and like this broadcast. It's a short one. Let's watch this together. That was his fan right there, one of his supporters. Wike took off his jacket and gave it to him. Wow. Let's finish this video. Let me come back there. All right, that's the end of the video right there. I thought I should bring this to you guys. Trust me, my people. Whether we like him or not, we can a person way Nigerians go remember for a very, very long time. Trust me, I've done well. I understand some of you might not like this, you might not want to understand this. Wike have done well. A lot of people can testify to that. And it will be remembered. You have left a very, very good footprint. To me, yes, you have left a very, very good footprint. Yes, join us. We're gonna be back again soon. Thank you very much, my people. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.